Welcome guys, this is Wandering Vending. Today I am in California. I'm gonna eat from vending machines for 24 hours. Let's get this started. They have safety cages on these because they're outside. Let's see, how much does one cost? $1.25, not too bad. The Java is out, so let's try something else. The button doesn't work. Let's try the Monster. Maybe it works. Hey, we got one. I've now found more vending machines, however they're only drinks. They're only 50 cents. Root beer. Now let's continue. Now I've got a Danish and a Monster. It's just about to be 9 p.m. I'm just past Tucson, so let's continue the journey. So the time right now is 13:10, 1:10. Let's see. I'm gonna get some jalapeno poppers. There's just flies everywhere here. Alright, 175. See, that is A3. Let's see. That's what I got. Jalapeno poppers. Alright, so I'm gonna pick a Fanta. Bugs all over here. Look at this. Some serious cage. Okay, so this is what I got, but it's alright. So you guys may be wondering, what is this Quick Play shirt? Well, he's another vending channel. He's awesome. You know, a quick play is a good play. So I recommend Quick Play as well. So I came to another rest area. Unfortunately, no vending machines. So we've got to move on. Now I found some more vending machines. However, they're only sodas. Oh, the machine is not accepting money. There are actually 3 more vending machines as well. See, these are all chips, Pop-Tarts, kind of stuff. I'm gonna try some honey roasted peanuts.
But it's a yellow and white truck with the tanker.
There we go. Some leaves and stuff. Alright, honey roasted peanuts and water. Alright, it may not be present. It may not be stocked. $2 for one 20-ounce water. Well, it's not working. Alright, just gonna skip that for now. Alright, so the Gatorade is working. Got the blue. Currently, today I arrived in California and I'm going to the East Coast and I'm making collaborations on the way. I'm at another rest stop in Arizona. Alright, now we have another few vending machines. Just gonna see if I can get some water and a snack. Let's see here. $2. Where I'm actually going right now is to meet Jaime Ibanez to make a vending machine collaboration, and let's see what happens. This drink is $1.50. There's no food at this location. But I got some water finally. Alright, let's move on. So this is Tucson, Arizona. There's some more vending machines. Let's check out the other side. Alright, let's decide on the food. I'm going to get the and a Danish. It's $2. And now I'm going to get the Loca Mocha Java Monster. See how much that is. It's at least 3. It's one of these. Alright. Nope. Okay. Now for drinks. I'm gonna try this. I've never used one of these. So this is one of those coffee machines that people are looking at. Let's try Butterfinger 1x3. Oh, just kidding. Out of service. See if this one's working. See, I want to get a water though. See here. I'm gonna put 1/4 in to make sure the return mechanism actually works before I actually go ahead. Because that machine, someone put in credit and nothing. Hopefully this works. And we've got water. Got water. See, it's not clean. So let's continue on. Now we got some better food here. This is a much better area for machines. However, some of them are not working as the other person could not get their money back from the other machine. See, it's not even accepting quarters. Interesting, it has a lot of dimes. That's it for this video, as it is midday and I'm not going to any more machines. So thank you guys for watching this first video on this channel, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, share, hit the bell,